Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus, but during Big Billion Day sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival, the price of these two tablets are on the higher side. So many people are asking me when the price of these two tablets will come down. Actually, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus are two very good tablets. The displays of both these devices are very good. They come with decent amount of performance with a decent chipset. Battery backup is also very good on both of these devices. Also, you will get S10 inside this box, so you can execute your creative task on the go on this tablet. So if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, in that case the best price for the 128GB Wi-Fi variant is around 28,000, maximum 29,000 rupees during discount and offers. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, in that case the best price for this tablet is around 42,000 rupees. Now the question arises, in which sale you can buy these two tablets at this desired price? I think you have to wait till Republic Day sale 2026 for these two tablets to buy in offer. Christmas sale will begin in flipkart.com in the first week of December, so in that sale you cannot expect huge price drop on these two tablets. Many users actually want to know what is the difference between Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and S10 FE Plus. Actually, in S10 FE Plus you will get better chipset and you will get Samsung AI, which can do a lot of tasks in seconds. If you want to buy this tablet from flipkart.com, in that case you can use Axis Bank credit card or ICICI Bank credit card. And if you want to buy this tablet from Amazon.in, in that case you should have SBI credit card in Republic Day sale 2026. So in the conclusion, if you want to buy any of these two tablets, you have to wait till January of 2026 to get the best discount. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.